Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of React.js animation, and I'm not talking about the basic fade-ins. No. We are talking about the fire animations that will make your app the Beyonce of the web world. Let's go. First up, we have the React Spring. This one's all about the physics-based animations. It's like having a tiny physics engine built into your app. Super smooth and realistic. Just imagine your animations are bouncing on a springy mattress. Just don't bounce too high, or you might need a new app. Now, why would you want to use React Spring? Let me break it down for you. It has physics based animations for natural and realistic animations. It is super performant and is perfect for complex interactions. And the declarative API for easy setup. Just define where you want the animation to end and Spring handles the rest. But hold up, like every tool, it's not all roses. Let's talk about the cons as well. It can be a little tricky to learn, especially if physics isn't your strong suit. You'll need to have a basic understanding of Spring and velocity for the better results. Alright, now that we have bounced through React Spring, let's jump into another library. Next we've got the Framer Motion. It's the Swiss Army knife of the animation libraries. Fades, transitions, gestures, you name it, it has everything. Oh, and the drag and drop interface, even your grandma could whip a killer animation. Just don't let her animate her knitting needles. We've seen enough. So what makes Framer Motion stand out? Let's dive in. It's easy to use with an intuitive API and the drag and drop interface for a quick and visual animation creation. It has tons of features like keyframes, gesture controls, but even Superman has kryptonite. Let's talk about the cons as well. It is not that performant when it comes to really complex animations. It is slightly less flexible compared to React Spring for physics heavy animations. Alright, Framer Motion is cool, but if you want something more classic, let's move to the OG React Motion. So if React Spring is the physics engine, then React Motion is smooth operator that makes everything flow flawlessly. It's all about creating fluid and natural animations without breaking a sweat. Think of it as the Zen master of animations, bringing harmony and balance to your UI. So why would you choose React Motion? Let's check the pros. The fluid and natural animations, it's perfect for creating smooth and seamless transitions that feel intuitive. The declarative syntax makes it easy to define animation using simple and readable code. It works well with other React libraries, and the performance is very well optimized. But hey, nothing's perfect. Let's talk about the cons as well. It has limited features compared to others like React Spring and Framer Motion. It has a very smaller community, so you will find fewer resources and community support compared to some of the bigger libraries like Framer Motion. Now let's move on to the library that takes animation to the superhero levels. If you are looking for a superhero power, GSAP is your guy. This library can animate anything. Buildings flying? Easy. Rabbits disappearing? Done. But beware, with great power comes great responsibility and the potential to turn your app into a science fiction movie. Gone wrong. Now why should you consider GSAP? Let's look at the pros. It's extremely powerful and flexible. It has a very high performance and the performance is top notch and it's perfect for demanding animations and it is loaded with features like timelines, easing functions and more. But remember, with great power comes a few challenges. It has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're a beginner, and it's not as tightly integrated with React, so it might need a bit of a setup and it can get messy. And now, if you're not looking to blow your app with animations, let's wrap things up with something simpler and a more reliable library. So we've got the React transition group. Think of it as the reliable friend who always shows up at the parties bringing snacks. It's not flashy, but it is dependable. It will handle all your simple transitions without breaking a sweat. So why should you use React Transition Group? It's super lightweight and easy to use. It's great for basic transitions like showing and hiding elements. And it is well integrated with React and it's perfect for beginners. But as much as we love snacks, sometimes we need more. So here are some cons. It has limited features compared to GSAP and React Spring. It's not ideal for more complex animations or interactions. So there you have it, the top 5 animation libraries for Reactjs. Whether you are into physics-based animations or you just want to keep things very lightweight, there's something here for everyone. And remember, the best animation library is the one that fits your project. And hey, before you head out, Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let me know in the comments which library you will be trying next. Till the next time, keep your code smooth and your animations smoother.